guys, Tutty wants to go out and I'll have to bring him outside. Yeah, he wants to go out to go potty or to go pee, you know, to do his business. So I'll have to bring him outside right now. Okay? Wanna go out? Okay. Tutty, ready to go out? Wanna go out? Okay. Let's go. Hello. Oh my G. Look at that. It's snowing hard. Yeah, with wind. Wanna go out? Okay, we will go out. Okay. You ready? Oh my God. Yeah. Okay, Tutty. Look at the time right now is 10 p.m. and look at the sky. The sky is bright. Are you done? Okay. Oh, I forgot to show you guys what Tutty did. But I think he wants to go down again. Go. Not there. Wait. Not there. Oh my God, it's so cold. He gets crazy with the snow. Okay, let's go home. It's so cold. Oh my God. The wind blow. Let's go. Get in because the wind blow is heavy. Oh, it's so cold. Okay. Sorry guys. Okay. Fish. Oops. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed to watch the snow. Yeah, it's snowing tonight. It's snowing so hard with the wind blow. Okay guys, thank you so much guys for your watching.